Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this Roku Voice Remote Pro. Reason number 1 is you've got voice search, but it also has hands-free. You can just say the word, "Hey Roku," and it wakes up the remote, and then you can just start talking to it without ever pressing a button. The second one is it's rechargeable, so there's no battery to replace. You are going to charge it. It comes with this cable. You're going to charge it with USB-C right here, and it lasts for months. The second one is it's backlit. So if you're in a dark environment, you can see the keys and you'll know which one to press. Some other things I love about it is you can control your TV with it. We got volume, mute. We have some quick launch buttons here. Netflix, HBO Max TV. We got a guide button, play. We got the thumb wheel we can use like for the cursor, back, and a home button. This is a quick launch button, and this is the live TV, the guide button. So the first thing you're going to want to do is plug this into USB-A, and you're going to want to charge up the remote. That light is going to flash to let you know that it's charging. Okay, let's say you lost your remote and you want to set it up to a Roku TV. I'm going to show you how. Find the power cord, unplug it. You do have to unplug it. Now you're going to plug it back in. Roku TVs usually have a power button right in the middle. Press it. It's going to go right to the home button. Then you're going to press and hold the home button and this left arrow button for 5 seconds. Wait till we see the actual home screen. All right. I pressed and held that. The light is flashing. Now it says pairing remote. Again, press and hold both those for 5 seconds. Now that is steady. And now my remote. This kind of tells you when the voice switch is on. You say, "Hey Roku," the remote will listen. You got to click OK. Then go down and hit continue. Continue and finish. Now let's just use the search by pressing the button. Find comedy movies. You have to press and hold out the entire time you're talking to it. Okay, there's the comedy movies. You can tell to go right to a movie. Play Band of Brothers. And it'll go, if it knows the movie, it goes right to it. Nope, it didn't know that one. Sometimes it goes right to it and it'll start playing it. So now let's wake the remote up. "Hey Roku, play some TV movies." Okay, so there is a button on the side to turn the hands-free on and off. If I turn it off, it says hands-free on and off. I did have to turn that on and off about 4 times. Then it started working. So turn it on and off about 4 times, and now I see it on the screen. "Hey Roku, play some action movies." All right, so it did hear me. I didn't press any buttons. There it is. "Hey Roku, find my remote." All right, it makes an audible tone out here. Press any button to stop it. So if you lose your remote, and if you're in the same room, you can say, "Hey Roku, find my remote." That's the best feature of all. Okay, so I'm in my bathroom. There's what the keys look like. You know, they're not quite that bright in real life, but they are backlit and you can see exactly what you need. The side ones aren't, just the top ones. Okay, so I plugged the Roku in to a charger. And when you do that, the TV shows you that it's charging. Okay, say you have the old remote and you want to go pair the new remote. Go down to Settings. Go to Remotes and Devices. Go down. Remotes. Click on Remotes. Voice remote is in. I have a Voice Remote Pro. Go to Add a new one. Click it. And then it says you're going to hold below the power button. It wants to know where the pinhole is. So mine is to the left. That's a little light. So I'm to the little left. So I'm going to go over. Left of power button. Is there a pull tab? No, I don't have the pull tab. So I'm going to press and hold these 2 buttons for 5 seconds and then it will pair. That is so easy. Again, I can control the TV volume, I can mute it, but there's also the voice commands. I can turn that on or off, and it makes a little beep, on or off. But here's rechargeable battery, backlit buttons, hands-free. That's when you say, hey Roku. Lost remote finder, live TV button, quick launch. I just tried it. You can turn your TV, so if your TV is off, you can say, hey Roku, turn my TV on. Or even, hey Roku, play a certain movie. And even if the TV is completely off, this remote will activate. When you say, hey Roku, that little light activates right there. Live TV button, quick launch button, push to talk, TV control, simple setup. And then again, we got these presets right here also. This is a really, really nice remote. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.